here we have Rosa and Rush. Rosa here on the left, right here. And here's Rush. I like these two. They're very similar in color and in size. Of course, Rosa's got the white markings. You can see her chest. There she is. She's doing so well. Hey, little girl. Hey, Rosa. Hey, puppy pup. And of course, here's Rush hanging out here. Hey, buddy. Hey, you. How are you? They're both doing great. Growing like mad. We had big gains this week. Hey, Rosa. Hey, Rosa, come here. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Let's see if we can get Rush to come to us over here. Come here, buddy. Come here, Rush. Oh, they're both gonna come. Hey, little Rosa. Anyhow, doing great.